Hi, I'm Christos, founder of CAJ Digital Technologies. In this video, I'm showing CAJ Operate, our business operation platform that helps companies turn WhatsApp messages, phone calls, appointments, documents, and follow-ups into organized work. The platform is already handling real workflows, AI replies, lead capture, appointment booking, calendar syncs, document intake, finance evidence, and protected business records. We are now preparing to raise funding to support product rollout, infrastructure, security hardening, and the next stage of development. I'll keep this demo practical and show the flow from the customer inquiry all the way through to the business record inside the platform. Thank you very much and see you on the videos.
A customer starts a normal WhatsApp conversation with CAJ Digital Technologies about a custom website project. This is deliberately shown as a real customer-style inquiry, not a prepared form. The customer gives information gradually, the same way most businesses receive messages every day through WhatsApp, phone calls, email, or social media. The assistant responds immediately, explains the next step, and asks the right business questions. It does not just reply with a generic chatbot answer. It collects the details that matter for the business: the customer name, the company, the type of project, the industry, the goals, the timeline, the budget, and the preferred way to follow up. In this example, the customer is inquiring on behalf of Harbor Home Services Ltd., a plumbing and home maintenance company that needs a professional website to generate more local inquiries and make appointment requests easier. As the conversation continues, CAJ Operate turns the messages into structured lead information. This is where the value of the platform begins. Instead of leaving the inquiry buried inside a WhatsApp thread, the system starts building a usable lead record that the owner or team can review. For many small businesses, this is where opportunities are usually lost. Messages arrive, someone replies, but the important details are not organized properly. CAJ Operate helps move that conversation into a controlled business workflow, while the owner stays in control of the next action. After the customer gives enough information, the conversation moves from inquiry to action. The customer asks for availability for a consultation call. The assistant can help guide the booking process and move the lead towards a confirmed appointment without the business owner manually copying information from WhatsApp into another system. Inside CAJ Operate, the lead is connected to the conversation, so the business can see the customer details, the service interest, the project goals, the timeline, and the next step. This gives the team a clearer picture of what needs to happen next, instead of relying on memory or scattered messages. Once the customer confirms the appointment, the booking is saved in the platform. This is important because the appointment is not just a message. It becomes part of the business record, connected to the customer inquiry and available for follow-up. The booking is also synchronized with Google Calendar, so the owner can manage their schedule without manually entering the same appointment twice. The customer then receives a confirmation email, completing the workflow from WhatsApp message to lead capture, from lead capture to appointment, and from appointment to confirmed follow-up. This is the practical purpose of CAJ Operate. It helps a business reduce missed opportunities, organize customer inquiries, and turn day-to-day communication into proper operational work.
Hi again. Since I failed to do a proper recording on the voice agent, I'm gonna be doing it again here. So I'm calling the number I have set for my company. And we're gonna talk with the customer service.
Thanks for calling CAJ Digital Technologies. We're currently outside our normal business hours, but we can still take your details and help with your inquiry. Please tell us your name, business, and what you need help with, and we'll make sure the right person follows up.
Oh, hi, my name is Christos, and I have a plumbing business, and I want to build a website for my customers.
Thanks, Christos. Building a website for your plumbing business sounds like a great plan. Are you looking for something custom or a basic site?
Normal website for showing to my customers my services and be able to contact them.
I understand. A site to showcase your services and get more calls makes perfect sense. To help provide an accurate quote, do you have a particular budget in mind or a timeline you're hoping to meet?
I'm thinking about £1,000 and in 1 month.
Thank you. I've made a note of that budget and timeline. Would you like to schedule a callback with a team member, or would you prefer to book a consultation?
I prefer to book a consultation.
I'm checking availability now. I have a few openings on Monday, June 1st at 11 a.m., 11:30 a.m., 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m., 1 p.m., or 1:30 p.m., all in UK time. Which of those works for you?
11 a.m. is fine.
I'm booking that appointment for Monday, June 1st at 11 a.m. Would you like me to use your current phone number? +447762470169?
Yes. Yes.
I am booking your slot now. Please stay on the line.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's booked. We'll speak then. I am still booking your slot. Please stay on the line. The appointment is booked and saved to the calendar for Monday, June 1st at 11:30 a.m. Europe, London business time. Is there anything else I can help with?
No, I'm good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Bye-bye. That's good. That is done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.
Now I am showing what happened inside CAJ Operate after the live call. The call is no longer just a phone conversation. The platform has created a business record from it, so the owner can review what happened and continue the follow-up from the dashboard. The first thing to notice is that the caller is connected to a contact and conversation record. This means the call can be linked with previous messages, future follow-ups, and the customer journey, instead of being treated as a separate event. From the call, CAJ Operate can capture the lead details. The system can identify the customer, the business name, the service interest, and the reason for the inquiry. In this example, the caller is asking about a custom website project for Harbor Home Services Limited. The important part is that this information becomes structured. It is not just a transcript sitting somewhere in the system. The platform turns the conversation into useful lead data that the owner or team can open, review, and act on. Here, I can see the lead connected to the original call activity. That gives the business context, where the inquiry came from, what the customer asked for, and what should happen next. When the appointment is agreed during the call, CAJ Operate saves that as a separate appointment record. The booking is linked back to the same customer and lead, so the team can understand why the appointment exists and what the customer wants to discuss. This is the key workflow. A phone call comes in, the assistant handles the conversation, the platform captures the lead, and the appointment is saved as part of the same operational record. That means the owner is not relying on memory, handwritten notes, or copying details between systems. The business can open the lead, check the call context, see the appointment, and continue the follow-up from one place. This is what makes CAJ Operate different from a simple voice assistant. The AI helps with the conversation, but the platform turns the result into organized business work. The call becomes evidence, the lead becomes actionable, the appointment becomes scheduled, and the owner keeps control of the next step. Now I am showing the document and finance side of CAJ Operate. A business does not only deal with messages and phone calls. Every day there are invoices, receipts, statements, supplier documents, contracts, forms, and other files that need to be stored, reviewed, linked, and sometimes used for accounting or tax records. In this part of the platform, a document can be uploaded into a controlled intake flow. The system can classify what the document is, extract useful information, and prepare it for review before it is committed into the secure archive. The important point is that the document is not treated as just another file in a folder. It becomes part of the business record. If it is an invoice, receipt, bill, or finance document, it can support the accounting workflow. If it belongs to a customer, supplier, appointment, job, or internal process, it can be linked to the right area of the platform. This is where the AI accountant direction becomes important. CAJ Operate is being built so financial documents can support a proper accounting workflow. The AI can help classify the document, read the important values, identify the supplier or customer, understand whether it looks like income, an expense, a receipt, or supporting evidence, and prepare the information for review. The goal is not to let AI randomly change financial records. The platform keeps the accounting side controlled. The AI assists with extraction, matching, explanation, and review, while the application controls the final accounting records, evidence links, approvals, and audit trail. This means a business can move from scattered paperwork into a more organized finance process. A receipt can become evidence for an expense. An invoice can support money coming in or money going out. A document can be linked to the customer, supplier, payment, or accounting period it belongs to. The platform is also being prepared for the UK Digital Tax Direction. The system is currently being connected towards Revenue and Customs digital tax workflows, with approval and confirmation still pending before live tax submissions can be used in production. The purpose of that work is to support proper tax return preparation and digital filing in a controlled way. The platform should be able to prepare evidence, organize finance records, support VAT and tax review, and later connect with HMRC-approved flows when the access is confirmed. This is why the document archive, the accounting evidence, and the audit trail are important. Tax and accounting work cannot be treated like a simple chatbot answer. It needs records, evidence, dates, review, permissions, and traceability. Security is also part of the same story. CAJ Operate is designed with protected data handling across the whole platform. Sensitive information can be encrypted at rest, protected values can be masked, and access can be controlled depending on the user's role. That means the business owner, team members, support users, finance users, or reviewers do not all need the same level of access. The platform can separate what each role is allowed to see and do. For example, a normal team member may only need to see the task or customer information required for their work. A finance user may need access to accounting evidence. An owner may need wider visibility. Sensitive values should not be casually exposed to everyone. When protected information is revealed, the platform can record why it was accessed and who accessed it. This gives the business a stronger foundation for trust, compliance, and internal control. The wider direction of CAJ Operate goes beyond messaging, calls, appointments, and documents. The platform is also being expanded with areas such as task assignment, team follow-up, workflow routing, inventory handling, purchasing, supplier records, accounting, reporting, automation, and business health monitoring. The aim is to build a practical operations platform for small and growing businesses, a place where customer communication, documents, appointments, finance evidence, tasks, stock, team actions, and management visibility can work together instead of being spread across different disconnected tools. This final section brings the whole demo together. A customer can contact the business through WhatsApp or phone. The assistant can reply, capture the lead, and help book the appointment. The platform can save the appointment, sync the calendar, and send confirmation. Documents can then be uploaded, classified, protected, linked to the right records, and used as evidence for accounting and future tax workflows. That is the purpose of CAJ Operate. The AI assists, but the platform controls the business process. The records stay organized, the owner stays in control, sensitive data is protected, and the business has a clearer path from daily communication to real operational action.